The Engage user management of Augmentt allows you to take on a lot of the daily Microsoft tasks and tickets in one dashboard. So you can take on a lot of the tasks like password resets and managing groups or licenses. You can onboard users, you can offboard users. And all the actions in Engage are pretty easy to use. It's primarily toggle switches and checkboxes. Engage Autopilot also allows you to onboard and offboard employees. Now, if you are creating a brand new employee, you have three options. You can start from scratch and fill in all the required information to create the account, or you can clone a user. So if there's an existing user that has a lot of the same group memberships or license assignment, you could easily go in here, select the user that you want to clone, and then the proper information will be pre-filled and assigned. And your third option, you can create templates. So you can set templates both globally and per tenant to help out with the onboarding process. Now you can also offboard users from Microsoft using the Augmentt platform. Now, similar to the onboarding, you can also set up default settings, both globally or per tenant, to pre-fill a lot of the offboarding steps. Or you can start from scratch, where you can choose to do things like forward their email to another inbox, or remove them from the global address list, convert their mailbox to a shared mailbox, send out an auto reply, block them, sign them out, reset their password, remove them from groups. And you can also schedule offboardings. So this way, if the user is leaving on Friday at 5, you don't have to sit around and wait until after hours on a Friday afternoon to offboard them, or pay one of your employees maybe time and a half or double time to work after hours. You can schedule it at a time that works best for you, and then have it go off on that scheduled time. And once you've scheduled your offboarding, you can view the offboarding status at any time. You can also cancel the offboarding in case a change was made and now the user is no longer being offboarded. And then view additional items like which users have been offboarded successfully or if there have been any failures. And the three key takeaways I'd like to point out on Engage is that it is multi-tenant for Microsoft. You're not logging in and out of different Microsoft portals. You're not browsing in private windows or trying to remember which device you have MFA set up on for this client. You just toggle from customer to customer in the Augmentt portal to manage their users in Microsoft. The second thing is, this is also multi-product. It works with both Microsoft and Google. So if you have any Google Workspace clients, you can add them to Engage so you can manage those Google users as well. And the third key takeaway I would point out on Engage is that it's kind of a least privilege access environment. So you could give a level 1 tech or even a client in a co-managed environment access to Engage. They can come in here and take on those basic tasks without having admin access to the Microsoft portal. If you'd like to know more about Engage Autopilot or how you can take advantage of these features, contact us today at augmentt.com.